Title: Michigan hockey doc faces trial on sexual assault charges connected to youth hockey physicals. TL:, Dr. Tsavi Levrin, known as the hockey doc for his decades-long medical assistance to youth hockey teams in Michigan and Minnesota, will stand trial on 22 counts of third and fourth-degree criminal sexual conduct involving 10 former hockey players. The alleged victims testified that the sexual assaults occurred when they were teenagers and adults, and Judge James Brady emphasized that the doctor had exploited their trust. Levrin denies any wrongdoing, and his defense argues that his actions were not criminal. The trial will be closely watched in the aftermath of other high-profile sports doctor abuse cases. Farmington Hills, Michigan. The hockey doc, a figure once admired for his dedication to youth hockey teams, is now facing serious allegations of sexual assault. Dr. Tsavi Levrin, 66, has been charged with 22 counts of criminal sexual conduct involving 10 former hockey players. According to witnesses who testified during his preliminary hearing in Farmington Hills District Court, the sexual assaults occurred when the victims were teenagers and adults. These young athletes had placed immense trust in Dr. Levrin, and it's alleged that he betrayed that trust for his own sexual satisfaction. The defense, represented by attorney Jonathan Jones, contends that simply touching a person's genitals in a medical setting should not be considered a crime. However, the gravity of the allegations has left many questioning this argument. Adding to the complexity of the case, Levrin is also facing charges in nearby Bloomfield Hills District Court. Notably, he has not been charged in Minnesota, where he also claims to have worked with high school hockey teams. The allegations against Levrin gained momentum after his initial arrest in October. As more victims came forward, the number of charges against him increased. Tips from various Detroit area communities, as well as individuals from California, Georgia, North Carolina, Minnesota, Arizona, and Canada, revealed a disturbing pattern of abuse allegedly perpetrated by the hockey doc. Some accusers described their experiences, recounting that Levrin groped their genitals during sports physicals when they were teenagers. Others claimed more invasive actions, with one man revealing that he was asked to strip naked and perform jumping jacks during an examination. In an even more troubling account, a witness stated that Levrin, as an adult, subjected him to further humiliation by watching him urinate and inserting an ungloved finger into his rectum. Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald commended those who had the courage to testify against Levrin. She expressed hope that their bravery would inspire others to speak out. The sports world has been shaken by other similar cases, such as Larry Nassar, the former Michigan State University sports doctor convicted of sexually assaulting numerous gymnasts, and Robert Anderson, a University of Michigan physician accused of molesting athletes and students. As the trial date looms, questions arise about the role of sports doctors and their interactions with athletes. How can we protect young athletes from potential abuse while ensuring their medical needs are met? What reforms are needed to prevent such incidents from recurring in the future? As a society, we must grapple with these challenging questions and strive to create a safer environment for all. Question to ponder: how can we strike a balance between safeguarding young athletes and maintaining proper medical care in the world of sports?